Namaste to everyone. We hope all of you are doing great. So, one of our friend asked us, is yoga practices possible to do into the gym environment or into the gym? So, or can we relate this bodybuilding practices to yoga practices? So, over this we can say this: yoga practices has different aim and perspective. Yoga practices aim is to realize the true spirit, to realize Atma, to give our brain that experience, eternal experience, which is beyond the time, space, which is thoughtless, which is still quiet. So that's the purpose of yoga practices. But unfortunately, in the modern time, we all think yoga is all about asanas, exploring asanas, and we feel fear to go beyond this collection of the thinking, which is called mind. We afraid to, go beyond it, to let the mind energy, let the mind awareness explore the same awareness energy which is within everything. So we feel afraid, and it is quite challenging, which requires a good yoga teacher, good master who have experienced it. Only then he can teaches it in a very clear, in very prescribed, meaningful way. So yoga practices purpose is different. It's absolutely becoming universal and freeing up this individual, awareness and converting into the universal awareness is the aim of the yoga practices. And bodybuilding practices are different. In yoga, here postures meaning is different. Postures meaning to strengthen the body, bring the strength in the body, to make it more flexible, to make it diseases free from all the imbalances, and then to prepare for a sitting posture, which is called asana, and attain this sthir sukh asana sthiti. So bodybuilding aim is different. It's all about building up the muscles and the body. And so gym practices can never be related with the yoga practices, because both has different aim. So that's what we want to inform all of you, that. And the another important thing, see, in yoga ashram, in yoga studio, in yoga shala, energy is different, and energy is very important. So which we can't get into gym, because people are coming with different energy, and in the yoga shala people come with different energy. So energy is also very important aspect. So we cannot relate yoga and gym practices. Gym is different thing, yoga is different thing. So thank you so much for listening. Wish you all a wonderful day, wonderful time. Namaste.